Hello everybody, live from the attic here. Just wanted to make a quick video and wanted to feature a vintage item. This particular item is a vintage reverse weave champion crew neck. This is a all white crew neck with the C logo, the champion logo right there. Yeah, I just wanted to show quick little bit of small features on it. You know, you got the bottom right here. It's a decent length, and on the inside, it's like this really nice, you know, knit on the inside. And here you have the sleeves. You know, also like compared to like your modern, it's you know, pretty lengthy for you know, the wrists. And yeah, let me get this down here and show you more detail. So yeah, you know, as you see, we got that logo right there. And yeah, let me take this off. The main indicator of showing the age is the tag right here. As you can see, it is you know, it's a two-color tag, you know, size large. It's got the blue and then the red, you know, indicating that it is an 80s champion crew neck based on this tag. And yeah, just wanted to show you real quick, you know, something that came in, a vintage piece, really nice quality in hand, as you can tell, definitely. And a little bit more detail just to show you. It doesn't have you know, as you can see, the V right here, but yeah, and then, you know, tiny stain. You know, what do you expect, you know, with vintage pieces coming in? It's the norm. You know, we do our best to get them, you know, clean. And yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video on this, showing you the quality that you can expect from the vintage reverse weaves. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.